man, I can try. You can teach me. You look like a girl who can teach somebody something.
Welcome to the TheDuttyBerryShow's coverage of Sting 2022.
Box cover Duttyberry here, and you know, say stars among stars, you know, because there has been something going on in Jamaica where the celebrities just them don't want to leave Jamaica alone. So Suki with the good coochie, you know, she's here. How you feeling?
I feel sensational.
No, I kind of want to ask you a question. What makes your coochie so good? Like, what makes it so awesome?
I mean, it just tie niggas.
Oh, it just I mean, I've seen some content.
I mean, I got a lot of kids too.
Okay.
Every man want breed me.
Oh, okay, because you got that good. You got that African back.
The snatch. The red snapper.
So how you know? You know because he told you to, so?
Because niggas be stalking me. They be hiding in my closet.
Oh.
Yeah,
what's the wildest
like
DM that you've received? The wildest DM.
The wildest name?
DM, like,
Yeah.
you know, DM message like you've gotten.
I don't even want to say.
Oh, wow, it's that bad?
Yeah.
That kinky?
I mean,
that freaky?
Yeah, I don't know if I should say it.
I want to hear, like, just whisper. I can't decide if I want blur.
Like, a man asked me, can he suck the farts out my ass?
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I've heard stuff like that on the Breakfast Club.
Can he suck the farts out my ass?
Oh, wow. Do you find that flattering or is it just weird?
It's flattering. It makes me happy.
Oh. All right, so Suki, what brings you? You were here in Jamaica like some months ago or like weeks ago, and I saw you walking around and basically you have a good girl alter ego, a Jamaican alter ego, that personality that just comes out.
Yeah.
So like, what makes you so connected to Jamaica? What is it? Is the vibe, the energy, the men?
The men.
Oh, what you like about the Jamaican man them? You can't say it, man. You can't say it. It's called the Duttyberry Show for a reason. Give the people them an excuse to, you know, for why I have the name Dutty there.
All right, so I feel like me and my love for Jamaicans, honestly, when I was growing up, my mom was Rasta. She was a Rastafarian.
Oh.
Yeah, so, and then, you know, I don't want to say it.
Oh, you mean like it's just
I
like,
just don't want to say
it's
it.
just like it's
my
all.
mom was Rasta when I was a child, and that's just my picnic them Jamaican, and that's it.
Oh wow! So you just have a Jamaican vibration to the men and stuff like that, and you just welcome it. So now that you are a good body girl, you know. You look like a punchy or a munchy. Like I can't imagine you walk out shopping and your slippers and you just have go and the man them just have when you step out in the streets, like what do Jamaican men like tell you?
I just hear a lot of
So you know, so them interested.
They love me.
All right, so you're in Jamaica now because you have a collaboration with Dovey Magnum.
Yes.
Oh, what's the name of the song?
Bad Girl Team.
Bad Girl Team. So what's the song about? Fill me in.
It's just about like real bitches, like good pussy bitches that get money, that's grinding, girls from the ghetto, you know, and we making it out, and we're mothers, and we doing what we gotta do. Like nobody gonna stop us ever, you know. And if they try, they done. Like that's it.
So what was it like working with Dovey?
That's my sister. So I mean, it's like me and her connect. Like you know, like
no man, that bad, you know, because that is
we on the same vibration.
That is
you know?
that is sexy on top of sexy. That is kinky on top of kinky.
Yeah. We act just alike. So it's nothing. That's my girl.
I can't imagine the conversations that go on between you and Dovey, like in iMessage.
Dovey a real bitch.
Dovey, your ear can sneak in a little bit. Because I want a little prips of the song. If you can just give me a little teaser of the song. All right, Dovey.
Yeah.
We can get a little more big. Like, what was it like working with Suki with a good coochie?
Well, me and Suki did forbidden work, but because you don't know, say me a tour.
Yeah.
Oh my God! And I travel.
Yeah.
I just see something that made my clit jump. So.
Oh.
Right. Yes, and you know, because I was touring and then Suki get her break and start touring, it was hard for us to really link up. So when she see me at Jamaica, she said, "Dovey, you know my birthday. I don't want to stay in America. I want to come to Jamaica. So come through." Then she said, "Here what? It don't make no sense with there Jamaica. No, we'll link up together. We'll have to get in the studio."
Oh, she's a real girl like that?
Yes,
wow.
so we'll link up. Yes, so we'll link up Kim and Kim link Fuse and you know, Frank and Zinni. And then my label come behind it, which is Going Through Records.
Yeah.
The rhythm bill right in front of us, like 20 minutes.
Wow.
Yes, right in front of us. And we sat there. We have the behind the scenes so people can see that true we are talking.
So it's a natural, organic type of energy.
Same time as me start with the feelings, Suki start over there, boom, then me say Suki. I want you go in one different sound because she have a song named The Grinch. And she have a sound in The Grinch. And I said, that's your sound.
Yep,
I say, you trust me? She say, yes. I say, you sure? I say, yeah. I go so boom and make the man them pull it up and we start do. So the whole vibe and connection was just right. And we'd pray before we start.
Oh, wow.
So at the end of the day, we know say God did gonna make this a hit song because since it dropped, the girl them are going with it. And
I
it
feel
just dropped
bad.
3 days
I
ago.
feel bad because I didn't hear the song yet, but I forgot to check
And
it
it
out.
dropped with a bad video.
Yes. Tell the people them right now where them for go and find like the song right now. Check it out on all streaming platforms and everything.
It's everywhere.
Give them the name of the song again.
Bad Gal Team.
Bad Gal Team.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you know, hear it from the people them right
It's
here.
the
You know.
Bad Gal
Oh,
Team.
yeah.
I want pum clean.
Yeah.
And when I like boy what mean. So rude boy what you feel.
Yeah.
And the Bad Gal Team.
Back y'all team.
And you want pum clean.
Pum pum.
Oh, I love your voice.
Boy what
Mm.
mean.
Love my voice.
Yeah, it's
Rude
kind of.
boy what
I
you
like
say.
your teeth. They still cute.
Oh wow, oh yeah. Oh thank you. Jesus Christ, man. I don't know when my fan piece of ear, a piece of Dovey ear. Jesus Christ. Right off our wig, not you know.
Shout out to Duttyberry. You don't know him, so Bad Gal Team. And shout out to the cameraman, yeah. Him stay good at them foot.
Wait, hold on, Suki. I forgot to play a little game now. Come and do it with Dovey. It's called When Last, right? So when last you tell me, you know, when you've done something, okay? When is the last time that you cried?
I cried like 3 days ago.
When is the last time that you got upset with someone?
Like 2 days ago.
Okay, when is the last time that you had a really good laugh?
I laugh every day. I love to laugh. That's what I do.
When is the last time that someone did you wrong?
2 days ago when I was upset.
Oh, whoa, when is the last time that you got some?
It's been like I would say like 6 days, but I'm celibate.
Oh, no, what?
I've been 6 days celibate.
Oh.
Selling a bit of this, selling a bit of that.
All right, can I get the people them a little 360? Can I forgot show off the good body, you know? Yeah, like a nice little 360. My gosh. Oh wow. Oh Jesus Christ. All right. Bop, 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 bop.